Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you doing today? Once again, today we are unboxing the 2025 models of TVs. This is going to be our first TV which we've unboxed. It's this OLED, LG OLED Evo C5. As you know, LG has been the longest and the best in OLED TVs. Still 12 years as the #1 brand. Once again, today they brought the C5. So we are going to unbox it now, right now. And mark you, new things changed. The remote, they introduced a new remote. I just unboxing. What's
Invited guest or a dancer?
we have one dancer in the house. We're celebrating the launch of C5 2025, the #1 OLED TV. Again, 12 years on market as the best OLED TV, and LG as the best OLED manufacturer. So this is what comes in the box. Can we see the remote first before we see the TV?
No problem.
Because to my knowledge, the remote just changed. It went to another new level.
New hype from LG.
Curious to see the remote.
Okay. This is the big reveal for LG.
Yeah,
This is
let's
the
check
new.
it out. Bro, I can't wait. Don't delay now.
I think it's expensive. Okay.
Wow. So comparing to the old ones, this is slim, flat, and let's open now.
Okay. Let's open. Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the new LG remote. And okay, so the buttons here, the numbers were removed. It remains as a magic remote. Then they brought the AI buttons for the AI chat. AI. This will be the AIs I'll be showing to you. And okay, the numbers were removed, so it will be slim compared to the last one. Still with the batteries. It will come AAA this time, not the AA. So now let's go to the biggest and all what we've been waiting for is to reveal the LG TV. This will be the stand. Stand will be here first. Edson. That's how we open it. Okay. That's the easiest way to put it on the table. Sorry, in the box when you're going to install the stand. Okay.
The design in the back one.
So the design remains the same. The texture, they put something else, a little bit white. This is the texture, see? It's like, you know, the tiles that they're mixed with black and white. So, how many ports? Ladies and gentlemen, 3 HDMIs, 4 USBs. This will be 144 hertz and internet, optical, and the dish also. And some of our customers normally ask, so the UAE versions, the CS5 is coming from Indonesia, not from Egypt, okay? So it's time to install the stand now. In the paper where the remote is.
What is this for?
Cable management.
Okay.
No, this one no need. I don't normally use it even. Okay, let me see. Inside the box, you'll find 8 big screws. 8 for these ones with the blue will be for the here for the TV.
Yes.
Then this big one will be for the stand. So on the stand, you'll put 2 down, and the other here. So 2 in the sides like this. Can you first do these ones?
Sure. Take that. Take 3.
Okay, spring. No, stop this one then. So first we will remove this. This will switch on our TV. So you have to press the OK button. Then
16, 26. Espanol. Uncheck. Next. Button. Region Southern Africa check. Back. Language. Back. 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 Bahasa Indonesia. Persian. Okay. Language. English. Check. Next.
okay,
Button.
so we are setting the languages. We are in the
Next. Button. Digital TV on check. Analog TV on check. Northern Africa on check. Previous. Button. Middle East on check. Middle East. Check. Scroll up or down without down button. Press OK button. Down. Down. Downmost. Next. Button. Time zone Beirut unchecked. Bahrain unchecked. Kuwait City Riyadh unchecked. Dubai unchecked.
we are in Dubai.
Dubai checked. Dubai checked. Muscat unchecked. Next. Button. Accessibility settings. Adjust the visual and auditory settings to optimize your viewing environment. Accessibility settings. Set up later.
We'll do that later. And we'll use the remote control. Next. And so we'll put in the internet. So that's our password. And then we go. So our internet is connected. Then you have to accept the terms and conditions. Scroll down. You can use this to scroll. Next. Accept all. Then more and agree. So next. And we are not going to use anything because it's display piece. It's on the stand. This affects your sound, so we'll enhance the sound quality and picture quality. And then next, make it ever ready so that you can say hi LG, then it will open. So if you want, you can log in using your account. Let me log in using mine actually. Log in using mine, but let me first finish this. Let's keep it for the moment. And there you are, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the LG C5 OLED 2025 model. So let's check what's new. Operating system, there is. Then magic remote. Okay, so let's test our AI. button. Okay, it needs to first finish the setup. It's running some setup in the background. Then we can start. Just try the home hub, which is this. Then let's try this one. Also, this will bring the quick actions. Then now the remote, you have to just push for the volume, up or down. Just checked my operating system, so it seems there is update. So let me first update it, then we can we'll come back once it's finished the update. Like, we'll go back to the setup and we'll test all the applications. So let's try to install some applications manually. I've just installed Netflix, so let's go to YouTube. So if I want to install YouTube, if the update is finished, they'll bring themselves automatically, but it's not yet finished to update, so I'll just install like manually. Oh my god, yeah, the picture clarity is really good. And remember, this is 4K, 144 hertz. So once apps are done, they'll come here. So it depends whatever you want. By the way, we have LG Streaming Week in which the TV was launched. My internet doesn't support it. So just a reminder, this TV is Alpha 9 AI processor generation 8. I'll show you. With the renewable operating system, you can renew your operating system for 5 years. And see the colors, they are just wow. Colors will be just wow. OLED care, which means it's not easy to hack your information. Gamers, comes with game dashboard, comes with 144 hertz. So OLED care, which means that you can clean your pixels, Dolby Atmos, Dolby Vision, and of course LG is good. And with the AI also, AI, we are still updating the operating system, otherwise it's not showing yet because of the operating system. It's still updating in the background. And that's it for today. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Okay, let me wait for the update, then I'll show you how the AI button works.